that I'm going to do today is called elephant toothpaste, and the ingredients you'll need is a clear plastic bottle, half a cup of hydrogen peroxide, 1 tablespoon of dry yeast, some warm water, some dishwashing liquid, some food colouring and a small cup. Okay, first I'll put the hydrogen peroxide in. I'll go through this spoon.
That'll probably do both.
Is it up to a line yet?
No, that'll do.
Next, I'll put dishwashing liquid in. And now food colouring. Shush! Food colouring. And now I'll mix the dry yeast with the warm water.
The other jug's on the side. No, yeah.
Which one do I put in?
The dry one. Because remember, just add a little bit of water each time. Put it all in. Leave it all.
Okay,
A little bit of water.
next I'll put a little bit of water. And it can't have any just little clunky bits that it's just going to be totally liquid. Alright, why did I miss this? Okay,
More water.
yeah.
Oops.
Oh, where's my notepad?
Oh, you just you know.
Oh, okay, so I'll put the dry yeast stuff into here.
Pour all of that. Quick.
I didn't write mine. That's toothpaste.
This might be going on for a while. Yeah.
How does it work?
There was another one that you could do, and there was 30% hydrogen peroxide, and when you put it in, it would run up